Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, hill descent control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Easler makes it easy.